what is the problem. Numerator here we are having 2. Numerator we are having 2. Numerator we are having omega n square. But denominator last term, here omega n square is present. Okay, last term. But here 1 is present. Here 1 is present. So you should see that both the places omega n square should be same. Okay, for that what I will do, so I will take C of s by R of s equal to 2 into 1 by s square plus 2s plus 1. Okay, then I will take it as some constant k is there. Then I have omega n square by s square plus 2 eta omega n s plus omega n square. Additional constant can be possible. Additional constant k can be possible. Before proceeding for the calculation of omega n, you have to see that numerator and the denominator last term both should give same omega n value. Both should give same omega n square value. Okay. So from here, this k you can just neglect now. As of now, you can neglect k. And now you go with the comparison. In two places, omega n square is same. Okay, both numerator as well as denominator last term, omega n square is same. Okay, after making sure of that, in the previous problem, we didn't had such a ambiguity. You can see numerator is 2, denominator last term is 2. Numerator 8, denominator last term also 8. Okay. So if that is the case, we can directly proceed. Otherwise, we have to change appropriately and then proceed. So omega n square is 1. Now comparison, omega n square is 1. So omega n value also 1. Square root of 1 is 1. Okay. Now we will go with the denominator second term. Denominator second term. We are having 2s, 2 eta omega n s. Now 2 gets cancelled. S and s also gets cancelled. So left side it is 1. Right side it is eta omega n. Omega n value we calculated in the previous step. It is 1. Okay. So now eta value we are getting equal to 1. Equal to 1 means it is called critically damped system. Equal to 1 means it is called critically damped system. Okay, we should be careful. Numerator and denominator last term should give same omega n square. Only then we can do the comparison of standard format closed loop transfer function. I'm going to the last problem. I'm going to the last problem in this model. The closed loop transfer function of certain second order unity feedback system is given. Okay, closed loop transfer function of certain second order unity feedback control system is given. Okay, this is closed loop transfer function and the standard format is omega n square by s square plus 2 eta omega n s plus omega n square. Okay. Now if you compare, denominator second term is not there. In the given question, denominator second term is not there. So first of all, we have to arrange them properly. Only then we can proceed. Okay. So what I will do, 2 by s square plus 4 I am taking. And then omega n square by s square plus 2 eta omega n s plus omega n square. First, I will adjust the numerator with the denominator last term. Denominator last term is a constant. So I will put this 2 aside. Numerator I will take 4 divided by s square plus 4. Okay. And then I am multiplying with 4. So I will divide with 4. Value will not change. Okay. I am multiplying with 4. I will divide with 4. This 2 by 4 is a random constant. This 2 by 4 is a random constant. So I will put k here. Then I will take omega n square by s square plus 2 eta omega n s plus omega n square. Okay. Now you compare, denominator second term is not there on the left side. Denominator second term is not there on the left side. I will avoid the k value. Okay, I will avoid the k value in the next step. Now 4 by s square plus s term is not there. So I will put 0 into s. Okay, I will put 0 into s. So value will not change. Plus 4. S term is not there. So I am putting 0 into s. Right side I am taking omega n square by s square plus 2 eta omega n s plus omega n square. Okay. Now k value that is not required for calculation as per the solution. They are asking eta value, damping ratio value. So k value just I neglected. Okay, k value 1 by 2 I am getting. So just I neglected because I'm not going to use in the further calculation. That's all. Now, numerator you can compare omega n square value is 4. So omega n value equal to 2. Omega n value equal to 2. Okay. Denominator second term you can compare 0 equal to 2 times eta omega n. S and S you can cancel. S and S you can cancel. 0 is nothing but 2 eta omega n. Okay. Already we have the value for omega n. So it is 2. So 0 equal to 4 into eta. So eta value equal to 0 by 4 or 0. Okay. So 0 means what is the type of system? Undamped system. Eta value 0 means it is undamped system. Previous problem we got eta value equal to 1. Eta value equal to 1. Here we are getting eta value equal to 0. Eta value equal to 0. Okay. So lastly, one thing I will just finalize. Eta value 0 means roots are purely imaginary. Roots are purely imaginary. Okay, imaginary roots. Purely imaginary. This is nature of the roots. Location of the roots means on y-axis you can just put. On y-axis roots will be present. X-axis real axis, y-axis is imaginary axis. X-axis real axis. This is location of the roots. This is about location of roots. Okay. This is nature of the roots. This is nature, okay, of roots. Purely imaginary. This is undamped system. In previous case, critically damped system means roots are real and equal. Real equal. Okay, on real axis you have to write. This is the real axis. This is imaginary axis. Okay, real and equal. Roots are real and equal. Location of the roots, nature of the roots. Okay, they are just asking damping only. These are additional. Okay, additional thing we are just analyzing. Additional location of the roots and then nature of the roots. So this is also additional information. Location of the roots and the nature of the roots. Okay. Now here overdamped. Overdamped means they will be real and unequal. This is real axis, imaginary axis. Real means on x-axis we have to put. Unequal, they will be negative because the root general format is minus eta omega n plus or minus, okay, omega n into square root of eta square minus 1. You can see negative real part is there. Okay, negative real part is there. So we have to put the poles on negative side only. Location and nature of the roots, real and unequal. Real and unequal. In the case of overdamped system. Whatever written by the side, I am writing additional information. Additional information. So that is not part of the solution. Just many times if we recall, okay, then we will not miss out in the next time for examination. Underdamped means complex conjugates. Complex conjugates means in the quadrant you have to write and negative side only you have to write because the general format will be minus eta omega n plus or minus j into omega n square root of 1 minus eta square. This is the general format. Okay, you can see negative real part is there, minus eta omega n. That's why we have to point them on the left side only. Point them on the left side only. Okay, these are additional information, not part of the solution. Okay. So this is our actual solution, only 2 steps. This is our actual solution. Diagram, everything is additional information only. Okay, here starts our actual solution. Only 2 steps. As we are together discussing, I have written everything detailedly. So only 2 steps for our simplification or solution of the problem. It is only 2 steps. Finding omega n, then finding eta value. Okay, once you are thorough, you can directly write in any however fast manner you can